carnival
Inspiration. Our weekend getaway. Happy birthday to both of us.
Happy birthday to both of us. What a weekend getaway.
Yes. Anong ulan?
We are just walking around right now.
Enjoying our last day
Enjoying our last day.
at
Kick back.
Carnival Inspiration. And there are some of the pictures taken earlier. We went to Ensenada.
Just over to the back.
We are walking in the promenade day. Going to the back, heading to the back of the ship.
Ready for dinner.
Getting ready to eat. So far so good. Thank God. God is good.
God is good.
Love my wife to death.
Love, love.
Love, love. Catherine and Brian, thank you for your greetings. Love you. Take care. Okay, that will be it. We are here.
Bye.
Bye.